Wattpad book cover maker applications for Android are specialized tools designed to help authors create eye-catching book covers for their stories published on the Wattpad platform. These apps provide a user-friendly interface and a variety of customizable templates that cater specifically to the genre and style of the book, making it easy for authors to design attractive covers without needing extensive graphic design skills. Users can typically choose from numerous layouts, backgrounds, and images, enabling them to personalize their book covers with elements that resonate with their story's theme. The applications often allow authors to add text, such as titles and authors' names, and adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to create a cohesive and appealing design. Additionally, many Wattpad book cover maker apps include features for saving and exporting designs in high-quality formats suitable for online publication. By using these applications, authors can enhance the visual appeal of their work, attract potential readers, and establish a professional presence on the Wattpad platform.